I must say, typ for Rc-Xtreme gravelpit, ARRMA, and it's more than a year since I even touched the Xray car. So I'm under a new receiver and fire up. Seems like it would. You know, it has the ultra quick turbo servo and the classic on the VAPEX 185. These are the Truggy tires from Louise RC T-ROckz. The gearing are a little bit on the soft side, but the car is so easy to drive. Can't compare to the others, actually. Yeah. No one's been up here, that's for sure. See, it does look like down there. Okay, they have definitely dropped some. Okay. No time for turtle. Oh. Yeah, not sure if you can see that, but we actually snapped it. That's not common, that's for sure. Well, it's a quick bash, guys. That's bashing.